In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the low Wi-Fi signal on your PC. First step is you want to come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type net sh space rinsock space reset. Now it's going to ask you to restart, but we're not going to do that yet. Then we want to search for device manager, find our network adapters, which should be here. And then you want to find your network. Now I'm on the Ethernet right now, but you should have another one because you're on the Wi-Fi. Then you want to right click on your Wi-Fi, update the driver, make sure you have the latest driver. And then you want to come back, browse my computer, let me pick from a list. And then you want to try and install the first one, see if that works. And then you also want to try the second one and see if that works. So just try and see which one is best for you. Once you've done that, you want to come here and you want to search for troubleshoot settings. Go to additional troubleshooters, press internet connections, run the troubleshooter, and then see if this helps fix the issue. Now you can also try and run the network adapter and see if that helps. And after all of this, you want to come here and search for network reset. Reset now, and this will also restart your PC. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.